Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? It's about to go down, you can have a seat. She can't be duplicated, don't hold your breath. Let's get to cooking with Nana the Saucy Chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making Easter cake mix cookies. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 box of yellow cake mix, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, pastel colored M&Ms, and 2 eggs at room temperature. Okay guys, in a bowl, you want to empty your cake mix into it. Now we're going to add in our 2 eggs and also our 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Now you just want to mix it until it's well combined. Once it's well combined, this is what it looks like. So now you can set it to the side. You can now heat your oven to 350 degrees. You want to get a baking sheet and line it with parchment paper. Now you're going to make 1-inch balls using a cookie scoop. And you're going to place them onto your baking sheet lined with parchment paper, about 2 inches apart. Okay guys, next we're going to go ahead and take our M&Ms and we're just going to press a few down into our cookie dough. Now you're going to place them in your 350 degree oven for 8 to 10 minutes. Okay guys, our cookies are out of the oven. If you want to add more M&Ms on top, you can. So I'm going to let them cool off. Okay guys, so here we have it, our Easter cake mix cookies. How pretty they are. The kids will enjoy making them. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?